What up, gang? In this video, we're going to talk about guerrilla music marketing. If you don't know what that is, you really need to stick around and watch this video. On top of that, got word of the day with a bunch of models at the end so you can learn a word from a hot girl. I thought that'd be very helpful. But guerrilla marketing are the types of stunts and the things that really propel music careers, as well as the type of marketing campaigns that happen by Fortune 500 companies. Okay? Think about Coca-Cola doing these campaigns. You see them everywhere. Everybody's talking about it, all of these different campaigns, but you can morph those, take those, and implement them into music marketing. And I'm going to give you examples in this video.
Thank you.
If you don't know what guerrilla music marketing is, you really need to pay attention. Let's get into it. You know, I realized after releasing a bunch of videos about marketing that people weren't watching them. To me, this proved, one, a lot of artists subscribe to me aren't that serious. If you're watching this now, you are. You clicked, right? Okay, number two, artists really don't tend to understand a damn thing about marketing. They think they know what marketing is, but they don't. This is why marketing itself has a degree in school, numerous degrees, and different types of marketing too. And number three, I need to teach artists how to shift their minds and understanding why multi-million-dollar marketing campaigns and publicists exist, so you can understand this. So I'm going to break this down for you right now. All that matters with your music is that it gets heard and that you gain attention for yourself, okay? These things are basically publicity stunts in a way. And not only did some of these work once, they worked numerous times after the artist blew up again and again. And the purpose is to get people and give them a reason to talk about that artist or the campaign, which then leads to the artist. And it shows that the person is entertaining, and that's your job, right? You're an entertainer. So let's get into it. Number one, DaBaby did this 2014, and this really helped propel him into the next level of his career. It's when he wore a diaper to South by Southwest. Grown-ass man wearing a diaper. Everybody's taking pictures. Everybody's looking at him. His name is DaBaby, so diaper made sense, right? If you see a guy in a diaper walking down the street and he doesn't look homeless and he's got chains on, I'm saying, who the f is this? This is a type of guerrilla marketing campaign, and it worked exceptionally well to kick him to the next level. That got him where he is today. They got him that deal, everything, okay? Number two, let's expand a little bit more on that one. I'm never forgetting this image, and every time I see a diaper for the rest of my life, I'm thinking about this. And then basically this creates what Jonah Berger calls in his book, Contagious, top of mind, tip of tongue marketing. So every time I see a diaper, it's on the tip of my mind, right? And I'm always going to think about it. That's how it sticks with you. Number three, let's think about this. He's actually only allowed to do this, even though he is a grown-ass man, because the diaper only explained what his rap name was. So in itself was a really smart way and to have an actual campaign, because you're like, oh, he's allowed to do it. Why? Because, oh, the diaper. Oh, I know his name. Why? Because he was the guy in the diaper. Why is he in a diaper? Oh, because his name's DaBaby. So you remember his name because of the campaign. You see how well put together that was? You can do the same thing for yourself in different ways. Bruh. What's your artist name? How can you convey that in public? How can you convey that in a big marketing and publicity campaign? Number four, I didn't start growing as an artist until I opened my mind and I said, I need to evolve. I don't care what it takes. If I want this, I'm going to do it. For DaBaby, this guerrilla marketing stunt shows everyone, including labels, that this is someone who will do what it takes to make his career move forward. Think about that. Are you going to dress up in a diaper? Maybe it'll work, you don't even know. Because 99.9% of artists who say they are serious would never do something like that. They would feel embarrassed or look at it as something that would take away from their street credibility. But think about this. This takes me to my next point, number five. This proves his confidence is through the roof, as well as his street mentality. I wouldn't doubt it if he knocked out 2 people that day while wearing that diaper.
To this day.
He knows he can beat you up while wearing that diaper. He knows it. So he doesn't lose an ounce of respect from me with this publicity stunt, with this marketing tactic. He only gains it. Now, I know some people are like, this is an old tactic. It still works. It worked, okay? Number six, they got covered by tons of media outlets, including The Breakfast Club, which is one of the biggest, most culturally significant things in hip hop, right? So, I mean, covered everywhere, just from a diaper.
Oh, God.
Really quick, if you can hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further faster together. That's it. Let's get back to the video. Number seven, you could take the footage of your stunt and use it as content on social media. Hire a publicist and send it out to all media contacts that they have so you can try to get posted up. They're more than likely to post a stunt mentioning your name before they're ever going to mention your music. Really think about that.
Y'all can't see his up.
And like the 48 Laws of Power says in Law 6, court attention at all costs. Okay? I tell people this all the time. The worst fate in the world for a man or woman who yearns fame, glory, and of course power is to be ignored. You have to have attention or you'll never get to the place that you need to be. And it's better to be slandered and attacked than to be ignored, because at least people know who you are. This works. So think, what things like this can you do that will gain you attention? Right now, people are ignoring you. How can you change that? That's all that matters, is you changing that. Really, they're gonna listen if you can change that one thing. And if you want to get your hands on some of my marketing masterclasses, really I'm gonna recommend you join the music industry shortcut because I'm going to give you the 7 master keys of music marketing, and I'm going to give you 50 effortless music marketing strategies to get your first 100,000 streams. You check that out, okay? I'm going to put a link below this video, and I'm going to put it in the top comments so you can go check that out. Music industry shortcuts crazy because you get like 4 to 7 different master classes every single month. All right. Anyway, I'll let you check that out. Links are going to be below. I highly recommend you do that because you're going to learn a lot. All right. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. It's time for word of the day.
Hi guys, my name is Ray, and today's word of the day is predecessor. Someone who comes before you.
All right, there you have it. Keep hustling, gang. Let me know if you liking these words of the days below. If you have any questions, you have any more insight that you'd like other people to see, or any type of opinion, let me know. All right. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Hit me with a subscribe. Check those links and keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.